Hey guys, today we are going to continue our work with prefixes. Let's revisit our learning goal for this week. Our learning goal says I can decode and read words with the following prefixes: un, re, mis, dis, and non. Remember that a prefix is a word part that is added to the beginning of a base word. It makes a new word with a different meaning. So let's take a look at some examples with these prefixes. The first one we're going to look at means not. So the base word that I have in this word is true. If I add a prefix meaning not in front of the word true, I have not true or untrue. Next, I have the word reappear. The word appear means to be seen. So if I have the prefix re, which we know means again and again or over and over, reappear is something that appears again. The next example is mispronounce. In the word mispronounce, this is a long word, my friends. Pronounce means to say a word, okay, or make a sound. If I mispronounce someone's name, it means I am saying it wrong. So the prefix mis means wrong. So when somebody says, "Hey, you mispronounced my last name," which is very common for me, it means they did not say your name correctly or they said it wrong. The next example I have is discontinue. Have you ever heard the word continue? That means to keep going. If someone is taking a test and they say, "Hey, continue, you're doing a great job," it means to keep going or keep working, right? However, if somebody said to you, "Hey, you may discontinue working now," or "Please discontinue your math work," it means you are not going to continue, using the prefix dis meaning not, or something that doesn't exist, right? So you're not going to continue with what you're doing. And the last example I have for my friends is non-living. We know that the base word living means something that is alive, breathing, living, right? Now, if something is non-living, I add the prefix non in front of the base word living. That changes the meaning of living to meaning not living. So, if I have two plants in my house, one of the plants is living. That means it takes in oxygen, it takes in nutrients and food, grows, all of the things that are the characteristics of a living plant. Then I have another plant that is non-living, or I have a fake plant. You ever seen those in the store? They're artificial. That means they are non-living. It's made of plastic, it's not living, it's not taking in food, air, water, nothing. So that is non-living. All right, ready to do some practice of your own? We are going to take those 5 prefixes that we have been working with this week. I've given you words with these prefixes in them, along with their meanings. And what I would like you to do is to practice using these words in a sentence when we are finished watching this video. So, friends, you have 2 things you're going to do after this video is complete. You're going to pause this video here, or stop the video here. You're going to put these words that have the prefix and a base word together to make up a new word. You're going to put those in a sentence. See if you can use these words correctly in a sentence. Then you're going to go on to read a passage, one of your decodable reader passages for today. You guys did a great job so far with some prefixes. I'd like you to keep practicing with your learning guides, and good luck today, friends.